The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
Hello, what's up, baby girls? Welcome to Unique Alien Pinky Makeup. So today I have a guest. Guess who's back in the house? Sprinkles! Come on, Sprinkles.
Hello.
Let's see. Sprinkles back in the house. So we're gonna be getting Sprinkles ready. We're gonna be doing her hair and getting her ready. So you're to stay. You already know what to do. Make sure you guys subscribe to Rumble. We'll be back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm gonna start taking off these liguitas. Her hair is a little knotted. Oh.
Okay.
Let's do the other one. Okay, now I'm taking it liguita off. So we're taking it off the liguitas from her hair. There we go. There we go. So see her nappy hair. Look at that. We're about to get her ready.
Aww.
Alright, now we're brushing up her hair. Her hair's a little tingle.
It's so better.
What, baby?
It's better.
It's better.
Yes.
So we're just brushing her hair.
I'm a witch.
You're a witch?
Yeah. For my new house.
Yeah, Sprinkle got a new house, huh, Sprinkle? Sprinkle's moving into her new home.
Yeah. Do you want to go my new home?
Yeah, we're gonna go to your new home today.
Okay. Then we gotta put you bubbles.
You got some bubbles?
Yeah, I got some bubbles for you and for bunnies. I got a chocolate bunny.
You got chocolate bunny?
Yes.
Are you gonna share with me?
Yes. Yes, I do. Juju and Dia. And Mommy too.
Mommy too?
Yep. We're gonna try to find the eggs first, okay?
Yep.
There's lots of candy.
You have a lot of candy too?
Yes. And you too.
You're gonna give me candy?
Yes.
Can I flip you this way? So we're gonna just grab it.
We're gonna find their eggs. Ow.
We only got 2 rubber bands.
Yeah. I like it.
Next, I'm just gonna do it like this. With my 2 pinkies.
Huh?
Just do it like that. And with this, I'm just gonna grab it like this. Hold on, just do a little bit tight. Alright. Now that is like that. This piece right here, I'm just gonna scoot it in here, like that. And I'm just gonna tie it around like that. This other one. little bowl. There you go. Like that. And I'm going to do the same to the other side. And you don't need any gel or any hairspray, any products like that to do this look. Okay, now we're going to start the next round. Right over here. So you need just 2 of these. Put it around. And it's like that. I'm just going to pull a little bit from right there. And this is going to go in the middle. Do it a little bit tight. And this is going to go around it. Next, we're going to grab another rubber band. Now there we go. Her hairstyle. Hold on, let me just fix this one really quick. Alright, so we're finally done with Sprinkle's hair. This is less than 5 minutes hairstyle to do. And we just put it in the back. Now we're going to change her. There we go. We finally changed Sprinkles. Don't worry about my face or what I'm wearing. We were focusing on Sprinkles. We're going to get her ready first. I always get her ready, then I get myself ready. So yeah, there we go. So this is her cute little hair. And her outfit. Some leggings. And here we got her shoes. Bam! She's wearing her nanas. Ready? There we go. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. We did a short video. We'll see you guys on the next video. Getting ready with Sprinkles. Bye.
Bye.
Over here, Sprinkles. Bye.
Bye.
Over there. You look right here. Bye.
Bye.
Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on Marisreviewchannel. See you guys next time. Peace out.